Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, Axie boundlessness generally is exchanging at $6.91 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.02% in especially most recent 60-minute, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie truly has a genuinely complete market cap of $808,629,504 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,215,204 $3 in a huge manner. This fundamentally makes Axie limitlessness exceptionally positioning at 57 in the digital money market, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Axie boundlessness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie endlessness sort of be especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Axie boundlessness a by and large wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical? Will Axie's value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is very huge? These are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future, which for the most part is very critical. Axie vastness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie limitlessness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie cost is supposed to really cross a truly normal value level of $9.17. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to basically be $8.83, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can truly arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $9.91, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness value conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Axie boundlessness could in a real sense stretch around $7.38, which truly is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Axie in May 2023 certainly is $6.56 with a typical cost of $7.18. By and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value gauge June 2023. The really normal cost of Axie boundlessness could fundamentally go to $7.39 toward the finish of June 2023, or so they essentially thought. Axie could be exchanging around and in every way that really matters. Greatest worth of $7.74 with the extremely least expected cost of $7.12, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness generally is gauged to sort of be at around a kind of least worth of $7.20 in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie endlessness value worth can essentially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $8.03 with the really normal exchanging worth of $7.54 in USD. Axie vastness value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the essentially most extreme cost for Axie boundlessness could fundamentally stretch around $8.34 in a quite large manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in August 2023 sort of is $7.50 with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $7.84 in an all things considered, huge way. Axie limitlessness value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness for the most part is truly anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of $8.15, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $8.73 and an essentially least of $7.81, or so they especially thought. Axie vastness value conjecture October 2023. The very normal cost of Axie limitlessness could especially go to $8.48 toward the finish of October 2023, or so they truly thought. Axie could basically be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $9.14 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $8.14, which truly is very critical. Axie vastness value expectation November 2023. The cost of Axie limitlessness fundamentally is essentially anticipated to generally reach at a truly least worth of $8.48 in November 2023. Especially further appearance how Axie boundlessness value figure June 2023. The really normal cost of Axie limitlessness could essentially go to $7.39 toward the finish of June 2023 in a very significant manner. The Axie cost could essentially arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $9.56 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $8.82 all through 2023, which really shows that on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness in every practical sense be worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Axie Value Conjecture December 2023. The Axie limitlessness figure for December 2023 expects that the Axie may by and large arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $9.91 with a base cost of around $8.83. Or so they thought. Discussing the truly normal value Axie can for the most part stretch around $9.17 for December, or so they by and large thought. Axie vastness especially past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been really diminished by 0.1% in its exceptionally current worth in a sort of large manner. On the off chance that we for the most part look at the kind of current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, exhibiting that Axie in a real sense has a complete market cap of $808,629,504 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,215,243, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. From truly most recent 7 days, the Axie basically was an essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.62%, or so they generally thought. Axie endlessness basically has shown exceptionally kind of solid kind of potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to dive right in and especially put resources into a significant way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie really diminished by 26.432%, taking out an astounding sort of normal amount of $2.48 from its ongoing worth, which generally shows that will Axie cost generally outperform its unsurpassed by and large high in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a kind of good really purchase an open door for pretty speedy interest in a very significant manner. The 90 days cost change is near 41.06%, and the cost commonly circled from an exceptionally least by and large normal cost of $10.80 to extremely greatest genuinely normal cost of $12.31 in the for the most part beyond 90 days, or so they especially thought. In essentially most recent 4 months, Axie endlessness by and large has shown a developing pattern in a sort of huge manner. Subsequently, we in every practical sense imagine that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie vastness truly is expanded from 4 months, showing how besides Axie can in every way that really matters, arrive at a very greatest value level of $9.91 in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost, which basically is very critical. The coin is up by 3.83% with the sort of most extreme in every way that really matters. Normal cost of the coin sort of was around $6.96, and the truly least beautiful typical cost of certainly was around $6.76 and lovely beyond 4 months, which truly is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will sort of be Axie boundlessness really worth in 2023? The Axie cost is estimated to for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $9.91 with kind of least cost of $8.83 toward the finish of 2023.